Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm counting the cars on the New Jersey Turnpike. Hi ho, Keegan the Vlog here. It is Navy o'clock outside. We are on our way to the shop to depart for the retrieval mission of a 1973 BMW Bavaria. So if you've watched the channel, you've seen Jerome's Bavaria sitting next to the Triumph project. That car needs a lot of parts, and my friend Patrick found a parts car for sale, and Jerome bought it. Because it was my influence that got him to buy the car, I'm on the hook to help him retrieve said car. I'm a checklist enthusiast, so this
are you?
Yeah, I'm a big fan.
Impact sockets, impact extensions, extension cords, floor jack, wood for the jack,
Cop
extra
light,
wheels,
cop motor,
cop
tires.
shocks, air compressors in there, right?
So wait, is that the younger one, or is the new one the younger one?
The new one's a 73, so it's actually, yeah, it's younger.
It's younger, okay.
Yeah.
What do we think that is?
Well, I don't know what that is, but I got it.
Is it a Studebaker? It is a Studebaker.
The front looks like a Studebaker.
I think it's a Lark.
It's freaking awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Why we do this, right?
This is why we do this.
Yeah, we're crossing the Hamilton Fish Newburgh Beacon Bridge.
Arrive at the destination. 86 Rockingham Road.
Yeah. Oh, it's on. And here we get our first look at this 1973 BMW E3, aka Bavaria. It's rusty.
The plan is, before this came out, the plan is to put the 3.5 out of that IL in the mud hole. And I think I can dumb it down enough to put the levers on there. Oh, really? Yeah, so, awesome. So that's kind of the plan. So I will use as much of this creature as I possibly can.
Absolutely.
But since mine's a 72, so it has the smaller bumpers. Like I'd shorten the exhaust.
As rough as the body is, the inside of this car is in surprisingly good shape.
I can use the driver's seat has lumbar support, mine is not. So I'm going to have that recovered, we do interior anyway, but have that recovered. Like I'm using everything I can off of that car.
This is like the same
See,
problem
this
with the
looks pretty
E9.
good here though. Mine's got some rust here, right? So I can cut that out. I'm curious
To see under the fender.
if the bottom of the A-pillars are good.
There's a hole here, so let me see if I can see it.
Wow, this is just amazing. The rust is amazing.
It's probably the rustiest, honestly, the rustiest one I've ever seen. I've
mean, this
restored like
is-
a couple CSLs. I've done like a lot of work on these old ones, and I've never seen one that was just everywhere. It's so distributed that it's like it's so unsavable
It's pretty
in a way.
Yeah, yeah.
As a whole car, you know.
Right, right.
Oh yeah, I mean there's
Sad.
tons of...
With a car like this, the game is, will it roll?
Got a wheel rolling.
Yeah, these two wheels are rolling.
Okay, these ones are as well. Nice.
Steering works.
Yeah, it's freed up nice. Pavement in a long time.
All right, so we'll get the cord We have to change
This,
that one.
I was gonna say, this rim looks really bent, but that's the inner hubcap. That's not the wheel.
No.
Wheel's probably fine. Yeah.
Look at that, it fits.
Beautiful.
Well,
It's almost like it was from a
yeah,
Bavaria.
exactly.
Incredible.
It's not a freaking TRX 390. Oh, we're gonna have to change this one.
Why?
You don't hear that?
Oh, jeez.
Is it bubbling?
Yeah.
All right.
Just a little over 2 hours after arrival, we've got this car strapped down and we're on the go.
We got a car. We got a car. That's pretty cool. This is 73, yeah.
1 year newer.
So, but and that was the year they put the ugly bumpers in there.
A bunch of subtle differences.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, the trim is different.
Yeah.
Right? My trim doesn't have the little rubber edge, right? See that? How this has that rubber edge at the bottom?
Rubber edge.
Down
On
like
the
right.
body trim,
Oh, huh.
right? I
Yeah.
think mine has that. Those things are awesome. Okay.
It looks pretty good to me. Yeah, you're good.
Gently, gently.
All right, that's going to do it for the very first episode of BMW Wrench Time. So I'm going to follow along Jerome's progress on the E3. Not this one. This one, unfortunately, is beyond saving. But its parts are going to go to restoration of his 72. This is a 73. So if you happen to have an E3 project and you need parts, we are going to have some extras because we're not going to use everything from this car to fix the one that's in the garage at the moment. So hit me up at the comments and we probably have what you need. One of the things that we're going to do with this car is take the transmission out. This is a manual. The one that he's got in the garage is an automatic. So I'm going to show you the process of converting an automatic transmission BMW E3 to a manual, which is actually much easier than you might think. Unlike the DeLorean, if anybody out there has this notion of getting an automatic DeLorean and converting it to a manual DeLorean, don't do it. The frames are different. So that's just not a thing you want to get into. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching us go our little adventure to go to New Hampshire to get this BMW E3, also known as a Bavaria here in the United States. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for lots more things coming up here in the future on this channel. The Ferrari is going to be drivable soon. The DeLorean is going to be back on the road soon. And it's the winter time now. Probably by the end of the summer of 2021, we are going to be driving the TR3. So we're going to be building that chassis here very soon. If you're into this kind of stuff, I hope you stick around and watch some more of this stuff. We're having a blast here at the shop doing this and filming it and putting the YouTube channel together. It's growing very quickly. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next time on BMW or DMC or 308 or TR3, something, something, something wrench time. Thanks.